Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best Safari Piñata for a birthday party. The Wild One Piñata No. 1 Pull-String Mini Piñata. If you're planning a first birthday or any jungle-themed celebration, this piñata is designed to bring both fun and excitement to your party. The Wild One Piñata comes with a beautiful safari jungle theme that instantly captures the attention of kids and guests alike. Its design is vibrant and playful, making it a fantastic centerpiece or decoration for your event. Measuring about 16.1 inches long, 10.9 inches wide, and just under 3 inches deep, this piñata is compact but offers plenty of space inside for goodies. You can easily fill it with candy, chocolates, mini toys, or even confetti to surprise your guests. One of the standout features of this piñata is its pull-string mechanism combined with the traditional blindfold and bat setup. The package includes the No. 1 shaped piñata, a sturdy plastic bat, a blindfold, and a small bag of confetti to enhance the festive mood. The pull-string option is especially great for younger children who may not be ready to swing a bat but still want to be part of the piñata fun. Meanwhile, older kids can take turns using the bat to break it open and reveal the surprises inside. The construction of this piñata uses quality corrugated cardboard, which gives it a lightweight feel but still offers good durability. The hanging loop on top is made of high-strength plastic, making it easy to hang the piñata on trees, ceilings, or doorways without worrying about it falling down during the game. It's designed to withstand multiple hits so that more children can participate and enjoy the activity together. In terms of size, this piñata is ideal for home parties or small gatherings. The included stick measures roughly 15.7 inches, which is perfect for kids and adults alike. The blindfold is also thoughtfully sized to fit most people comfortably. This attention to detail helps keep the game fun and safe for everyone involved. Another benefit of the Wild One piñata is its versatility. While it shines at first birthday celebrations, especially with its safari theme, it also fits well with jungle-themed parties, summer festivals, school events, and any occasion that calls for a playful party game prop or a decorative piece that adds cheer to the atmosphere. The included confetti adds an extra layer of surprise and celebration when the piñata is finally broken or pulled open. This small touch helps elevate the festive vibe and creates memorable moments for both kids and adults. Overall, this piñata blends great design, thoughtful features, and practical sizing, making it an excellent choice for your party needs. If you want to create a lively, interactive, and visually appealing party centerpiece that kids will love to gather around, the Wild One No. 1 piñata is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want more insights into the best party supplies and toys, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. See you next time.